G-Force Mentoring Program provides mentoring services for high school students at several North Texas school districts, including Dallas and Richardson ISDs. G-Force mentors are UT Dallas undergraduate students hired to provide hands-on support to high school students with the often complicated and confusing process of enrolling in college. Mentors help students with completing admissions and financial aid applications, searching for scholarships, and finding the right university or college. The mentors also help students by sharing the lessons that they have learned from their journey to college. The G-Force mentors also conduct UT Dallas campus tours, present workshops in the community for parents and students on a variety of college preparation and enrollment topics, and they attend local financial aid workshops to help students complete their financial aid applications. The program is funded by a grant from the Texas Higher Education Coordinating Board and has served thousands of students since it began at UT Dallas in 2009.